Ever wondered how to use the banana clip on Afro textured hair? So let's start with style one. I usually go in, always touch my hair with some hydration in it, and then we put the banana clip, but we always struggle to close it, right? Just use a band and make sure that it's secure but not too tight. And if you need to tighten, you just reinforce the band again, and then we do some hiding, we do some shaping with our hands, and then you have the Mohawk hairstyle that you want. Alright. Now for style 2. In this style, we are going to separate, and it's an easy way to learn how to do cornrow kind of look. And we use the Nourishing Pomade to make sure that all the frizz is out in our style. This is like beginner way of doing a cornrow at the back there. You can see you just take one piece of hair, put it over the other. Then take the next piece of hair, put it over the other. If you're not a pro at cornrow, this is an easy way to start learning how to do it. And the banana clip actually supports you in the process, so it's simplified. After we do the cornrow, we basically take out the banana clip and the band, and there you go. You use your Nourishing Pomade and a brush to sleek it out, and then you are done. You've got your hairstyle, protective hairstyle for the week, and you use your satin scarf to make sure that it's all sleeked out, and you are ready to go. Enjoy your natural crown. Cheers.